Hello mga baguys. Now we receive a solar light, no power. I will show you how to fix a solar light no power. First, disassemble the unit, baguys, and baguys. It's commonly the battery is drained. The problem is commonly battery drain. So we will isolate the battery, guys. Yes, and we will remove the battery and charge to the directly to the power supply, guys. So yes, guys. Just watch the video until the end, guys. Please like and share and subscribe. Support our vlog, support my channel mga baguys. So now I will test the solar light using power supply. So, it seems the switch is not connected. It's not good. Look carefully the switch. It's not functioning. Yes baguys. Not. So it's look like it seems switch is no good. So I will use a jumper. I will use a scissor to connect. See ba guys? I just use scissor for it's comfortably or very fast or easily. So I just use scissor instead of tweezer ba guys. So it's okay to use scissor. It's not dangerous. Yes. So now ba guys, see the light is all normal. Yes. So this is I will show you the lights. See, 3 channels light, the big one, the small one, and the circle one. So guys, this is how to approach no power solar light. So now mga baguys, watch, we will charge now the green battery to the power supply. This guys is very simple guide, very simple solution. If you have a solar light, just open it and see the switch, the battery, and you can use tester as a power supply. Use power supply to test the unit. So now the battery is connected to the power supply, and we will see what we will diagnose, or let's make a troubleshoot. Let's test the solar light. I will test the charging port. Yes, charging port. If it is okay. So while we are waiting for charge the battery, we will check the solar light. Okay guys, let's isolate the charging port, and we will connect a charger. There is a red light, means it's connected or good. Guys, so see the red light, and I will cut the switch because it's not functioning. And I will test first. There's a light. The charging is okay. The switch is not okay. No. will cut out the switch, guys. See, and I will test it by test printing. Yes, this. Look, guys. So the result is the switch is not good. It's bad. It's the defected. So now we are looking for a new switch. We were looking for new switch because the switch is defective. So the battery is drained and the switch is defected. So two problem. We have a two problem uh, found. Yes, now I will connect the battery, guys, because there is a charge already. So we will connect the battery. What will happen? Let's see what will happen. Okay, we will test now. Okay. The battery, there is a charge already. So now it's okay. So the charging, we will try to charge. Yes, that's all, guys. Please subscribe and share this video to our friend.